Got myself a Rheem Performance Platinum water, 50-gallon water heater here. The upper element, lower element, I've replaced both of them. And I think the upper one twice. So I just put the third one in, pulled it out. It was totally encrusted. This unit is about 2.5, 3 years old. So about once a year I have to replace the elements on this thing. It's draining really slow. It's because of the hard water. So when I pulled out the top one, it was totally encrusted in, I don't know what you call it, calcium or whatever, but I am now waiting for the water to slowly drain down to this level. Then I'll take this one out. I want to shop vac it out with like a 1-inch tube, like that I duct tape on the end of a shop vac, but I don't think I'm going to be able to do that today. So next year when they burn out, I'll do that then. It's just a real slow going because all that sediment is clogging this thing up, and it just is slowly draining. It's going outside, but I'll show you when I take it out just how encrusted it is. And I heard that these double back ones are a lot better at dealing with the hard water problem. So I got the double back, 2 of the double backs. I'm just gonna. It only sent me a message via Wi-Fi here that the upper element was burned out. But I'm gonna do them both while I'm at it, because I'm sure this one's all crusty too. I do have some kind of a homeowner-y looking, the previous homeowner water filter thing. I'm gonna actually use it. It's actually off right now. See that is off, so it's just bypassing it. I'm gonna do it. And I have also this baby that I haven't installed yet. I just need to install it. We have really hard water. Yeah, let's see what that thing looks like when I take it out. Okay, let's try this one more time here. I'm not sure the level's down far enough yet. If I see any water, I'm gonna stop though, because it drips out into this moisture sensor, and then the alarm won't go off for 2 weeks. Won't. So let's see here. I'm just gonna test it. I already loosened it with this wrench. No water. That's good. That's good. That's good. Oh, water. Tighten it back up. Yeah, there's the water level is still, I don't know where, but it's still coming out. Okay, I'm tired of waiting, so I just stuck a little foil up under there, made a little spigot, and I'm just gonna open it up and let the water flow. Let's see if this works. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh golly. Whew. Okay, that was scary. It actually stopped right as this got full, so I'm gonna try again. Yay. Let's see. I bet a bunch of water comes out. Alright. Can deal with that. Yikes. It's actually working. Don't get the water in there. You'll never hear the end of the alarm. Should have thought of this a long time ago. Okay, this is my redneck water heater draining. Let's get the big reveal here for this baby. Oh yeah! That's nice. That's beautiful. Bet you the element actually isn't even... Oh. It's probably still working, but I'm going to replace it since I've got it out. Funny, the upper one was far worse.